The 2012 Lexus IS-F CCS-R race car. In 2011, Lexus unveiled the IS-F Club Circuit Sports Racer concept at the Tokyo Auto Show. Today, the company has introduced the production version of that concept that will compete in the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb on July 8, 2012. The Lexus IS-F CCS-R will be powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers a total of 416 HP at 6,600 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 371 lb-ft. At 5,200 revolutions per minute. The engine will send its power to the rear wheels via an 8-speed sport direct shift automatic with paddle shift and manual mode. For improved aerodynamics, the IS-F CCS-R received a carbon fiber hood, door handles, front fender, front spoiler, front canard, rear spoiler, and ventilator. Painted in a very cool orange mica color, the race car sits on a new set of 18 inches wheels combined with a high-performance brake cooling system. Since this is a race car, Lexus also added a racing brake kit, racing exhaust system, and, of course, a roll cage. Update the 11th of June 2012, the new Lexus IS-F CCS-R is preparing for the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb on July 8, 2012, so Brian Smith, VP Lexus Marketing, does his part by explaining the modifications made to the car's engine and body. Check out the video by clicking on the image above. Update October 31, 12, a surprise appearance at the 2012 SEMA Auto Show. The Lexus IS-F CCS-R race car sure knows how to make waves in the biggest aftermarket show in the US. Can't say we saw this one coming.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.